Welcome friends. Today we will discuss about the difference between the glass transition temperature and melting point. Now we have already studied glass transition temperature and melting point. Now we will see the little bit on about what is the how melting point is difference between glass transition temperature. Now glass transition temperature is the characteristics of the amorphous polymer, whereas melting point is the characteristics of crystalline polymer. In the semi-crystalline polymer, melting point and glass transition temperature both are present. But in the 100% amorphous polymer, characteristics glass transition temperature, for 100% crystalline phase is melting point is the characteristics. Now second point is above glass transition temperature, segmental motion will start, or 40 to 50 chains will wriggling. Means only few chains will start vibrating at their own place. Or below this, they are in the glass solid, where in this melting point only two stages available. One is below melting point, the crystalline solid are in the well-mannered order structure. But above melting point, they will become a liquid. Liquid, there is no order of the polymer chains or crystalline solid chains. So now they are above melting point, they will convert into viscous melt. Now another is glass transition temperature is the property of chemical bond, because the vibration of the segmental motion will start around the chemical bonds, where the melting point is the property of the chemical structure. Melting point is the property of the chemical structure because fully depend on the chemical structure. The presence of aromatic rings, very rigid structure, they will increase the melting point. Now another method is first order transition and glass order transition. Now first we will see the graph of melting point. The curve is given by specific volume versus temperature. Here, if you will give the heat, the free volume of the structure will increase. See, specific volume will increase. After the melting point, this structure will convert into melting point. See the difference. How from this point to this point, how it will jump directly. It will show the first order transition. And first order transition, the specific volume is the function of Gibbs free energy at a constant temperature. Volume is the function of a constant temperature of Gibbs free energy. For same entropy is a function of Gibbs free energy at a constant pressure. But in the glass transition temperature is a different. There is no sharp change here. See the glass transition temperature above Tc, the volume will increase, but see the linearity of the volume. There is no sharp change like melting point. So scientists have said this type of structure will observe in only second glass transition temperature. So friends, this remember only which is the first glass transition temperature, second glass transition temperature. Nobody will in the exams see the derivation, how it will be possible. Only remember the curve which is second glass transition temperature, which is first order transition temperature. This is second order transition, this is first order transition. Transition means one stage to second step, how they will transit. Here is also linear structure, this sharp change, and this is linear structure. Here it will change like this. Here the Gibbs free energy is a function of temperature, but volume is also a function of a see, here is the P. Here is the P. Now friends, we have studied and completed the glass transition temperature, melting point, and the difference between glass transition and melting point. Thank you very much.